Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we're finishing up our Cendol dessert guide with easy assembly tips, topping ideas, and smart shortcuts to make the perfect bowl at home. Let's get started. How Cendol tastes across Southeast Asia, and how to order it. Cendol isn't one fixed recipe. It's a family of desserts that share a core idea: pandan jelly, coconut, sugar, ice. The details shift by country, by city, and sometimes by the vendor's mood that day. For a first-timer, the biggest difference you'll notice is richness. Some bowls lean thick and creamy, others feel lighter and more icy. Sweetness also varies a lot, so don't be shy about asking for less sugar if the shop can adjust. Popular regional styles: Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and beyond. In Malaysia and Singapore, Cendol often features a strong gula melaka flavor and a generous pour of santan. It can taste dessert-like in a comforting way, with a deep brown sugar bite and creamy coconut that clings to the spoon. You may also see Cendol served with extra coconut cream for a richer finish. In Indonesia, you'll often hear es cendol or es dawet. Many versions look similar, but you might notice different jellies, different shapes, or fruit-forward notes depending on the region. Some bowls feel lighter and more drinkable, served in a glass with lots of ice and a thinner coconut mixture. When ordering, scan for keywords: Cendol, dawet, santan, pandan, and gula melaka. If you see a picture, look for thick palm sugar syrup and a clear coconut layer. Those are good signs the flavors won't be washed out. Common toppings and add-ins that change the whole bowl. Toppings can turn Cendol from simple to loaded. Red beans, often adzuki, add soft, earthy sweetness and make it more filling. Sweet corn gives little pops of texture and a mild candy-like flavor that some people love. You might also see grass jelly, which is darker, softer, and slightly herbal. Glutinous rice adds chew and turns the bowl into a serious snack. Fruit toppings like jackfruit bring fragrance and bright sweetness, while durian adds thick, custardy richness and a strong aroma that's either heaven or a hard no. A quick safety note: Cendol often contains coconut, and some shops mix in dairy or sweetened condensed milk. If you're sensitive to food coloring, ask if the jelly uses added dye. It's common, and a good vendor won't act weird about the question. Make Cendol at home without stress. Simple steps and smart shortcuts. Homemade Cendol can be as involved as you want, but it doesn't have to be a weekend project. The easiest plan is to focus on assembly and balance, then upgrade pieces over time. Store-bought Cendol jelly is widely sold frozen or chilled at Asian markets, and it gets you 80% of the experience with almost no work. The main thing to remember is timing. Cendol is best right after you build it, while the ice is still crisp and the syrup hasn't thinned. Quick shopping list and easy substitutions. Cendol jelly, store-bought, or homemade from starch plus pandan. Coconut milk, full fat tastes best. Palm sugar or gula melaka for syrup. Ice, shaved is best, crushed works. If palm sugar is hard to find, brown sugar can stand in. Add a pinch of salt to bring back depth. If fresh pandan isn't available, use pandan extract sparingly because it can taste strong fast. No ice shaver? Put ice in a sturdy bag and crush it, or pulse briefly in a blender. You want small pieces, not a smoothie. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.